大家好，我叫何非凡. Hi everyone, my name is Anthony. Today we're going to look at another way of comparing things using 没有. So, the basic structure here is A 没有 B adjective, meaning that A doesn't reach the degree or extent of B. So I could say 我没有姚明高, meaning I'm not as tall as Yao Ming, and 没有 is indicating that I don't attain that level of adjective, which is pretty clear here. So an example like 今天没有昨天冷 just means that today is not as cold as yesterday. Yeah, 今天没有昨天冷. And so this pattern is going to fit nicely with this way of emphasizing degrees or extents, which we can do with the word 那么. Something like 你那么不喜欢跑步就骑自行车吧. Since you so dislike running, why not ride a bike? And the first part of this sentence, 你那么不喜欢, you so dislike. 那么 here is emphasizing the extent of this verb, 不喜欢. One more example of this is 我知道比尔盖茨很有钱，可是没想到他那么有钱啊. I knew Bill Gates was rich, but I didn't know he was that rich. 那么有钱啊. So when we combine these two patterns, we get a really natural way of comparing degrees or extents. So you could say, Beijing is hot. 北京很热，可是没有上海那么热. But it's not that hot compared to Shanghai. Like, Shanghai is so hot. The same could be said about population. 北京的人口没有上海那么多. Beijing's population doesn't have, well, direct translations don't really work here, but I hope you get the idea. 北京的人口没有上海那么多 is both emphasizing Shanghai's population as being really big, and also saying that Beijing's doesn't quite measure up. So we're going to go through a few more examples to sort of, I hope, get a feel for this pattern, because it should sort of come naturally. So 这部电影没有我喜欢的那么好看. This movie isn't as good as I had hoped. 那么好看, like that good. What about the food I make is never as good as the food my grandma makes. 我做的菜没有奶奶做的菜那么好吃. Or convenience between cash and credit cards. You could say 现金 cash 没有信用卡那么方便. Cash isn't as convenient as credit cards. So I don't want to over-explain here. I hope this makes sense. I hope it'll start to feel intuitive for you. The basic pattern again is A, 没有 B, 那么 adjective, and that's just saying that the degree or extent of A doesn't measure up to that of B. So that's all there is to it, and happy studying. 再见.